sense of pride, we would like to introduce ourselves. We are running an institute by the name Gujarati Samaj Educational Trust for the Handicapped, which caters to the children with special needs, their education, training and placement. Our school motto is, the children is the most important person in the premises. It is because of child that we are here and not because of us that the child is here. The school was started in 1984 for children with hearing impairment with just 3 students and 1 teacher. Today, we have the strength of 225 students and 28 teachers, including physiotherapist and speech therapist. The day starts with morning assembly consisting of prayer, national song followed by general exercise. Student-teacher ratio is 8:1. Teacher facilitate them for self-help skill, pre-writing, reading skill, art, craft, music, behavior modification program and individualized training program. This institution imparts basic vocational training as per the ability of the child in file making, paper bags, lamination, greeting cards, Diwali diyas, candle making, lanterns for Diwali, embroidery, rakhi making and wigs. Every year this institute has been conducting an exhibition cum sale of product in the school premises to create awareness about the potential of these distinctly able children. Speech and language therapy is provided daily in the school with hearing impairment, intellectual impairment, autism, attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, cerebral palsy, and those with multiple disabilities between the age of 3 to 12 years. Physiotherapy includes muscle strengthening, improving balance and coordination, correct walking pattern training, hand function and grip movement, trunk and pelvic stability. The institution also provides basic computer education to bring about variation in special education. Of this institution has participated in different sports events organized by Special Olympic Bharat as well as Paralympics and won prizes at state, national and international level. In this institution, basic yogasana are also taught to have positive impact on the entire body and mind. The body is regenerated and energy levels are raised. It improves concentration and reduces problems. They also take part in inter-school competitions like drawing, dance, drama and brought laurels to this institution. This institution has organized co-curricular events like Children's Day, Christmas celebration, school picnic and field visit for the overall enjoyment and exposure of students. In order to update staff knowledge and proficiency orientation and workshops are also planned by the institute. Outstanding achievements in various fields, this institution has been awarded the Best Non-Government Organization, that is Best NGO Award twice in the year 2004 and 2010, as well as second best in eco-friendly environment in the year 2009 by the government of Goa. The Board of Management has boosted the morale of staff members and encouraged them in every possible way. The ultimate aim of special education is independent living skill, rehabilitation and employability. In keeping the ultimate goal of special education in mind, we are developing the work habits in special children and teaching independent living skill, which are mandatory to lead a dignified life and being a useful member of society. In order to achieve the goal of this institution, the society must keep up with the change and development around us. As number of students increase each year, we also have to set our standards high to cope with the increasing demand. People with disability from different places are coming forward to avail the educational facility. Thus, management has dream of a new campus, new barrier-free and disable-friendly environment.